Jamaica Rugby Sevens captain O'Shane Eddie wants more support for the team. The team is 2 wins away from qualifying for the 2022 Rugby Sevens World Cup after winning their group in the 2022 World Cup qualifiers in the Bahamas on Saturday. The men's Rugby Sevens team will face the Cayman Islands in the quarterfinals at 10:36 a.m. Jamaica time on Sunday. Already looking ahead, Eddie says with more support, the team would be even more competitive at the 2022 Rugby Sevens World Cup in South Africa in September. The Reggae Crocs secured a historic second straight qualifier for the Premier Rugby Sevens showpiece after reaching the final of the North American Rugby qualifiers. Eddie, who was also part of the 2018 team that qualified for the country's first World Cup, noted that they have achieved their goals under very trying circumstances with minimum support. However, he believes that if they can get a field to train on, proper financial assistance for airfare, and get into few tournaments before the World Cup, it would help a great deal in lifting the level of the team so they can compete with the bigger boys.